What if I told you some philodendrons are so stunning they look more like living artwork than houseplants? Collectors pay big money for these rare varieties, and once you see them, you'll understand why. Today, let's explore 17 of the most unique and colorful philodendron varieties that can transform any corner of your home into a tropical masterpiece. Philodendron Brasil is a vibrant favorite, with heart-shaped leaves splashed with creamy yellow variegation down the center. It's easy to grow, striking in appearance, and can even thrive in water, making it a perfect low-maintenance showstopper. Philodendron Birkin, also called the white wave, features deep green leaves streaked with creamy white pinstripes. This slow grower is perfect for adding a classy modern vibe to your plant collection. Philodendron Brasil is a collector's gem with olive green leaves speckled with silver blotches. Its unique patterns make it stand out and bring a tropical jungle look indoors. Philodendron Pink Princess is a sensation among plant lovers for its deep green leaves splashed with striking bubblegum pink patches. Every leaf is like a one-of-a-kind painting, making this a centerpiece plant. Philodendron Paraiso Verde has glossy heart-shaped leaves marbled with creamy white streaks. Its ever-changing variegation ensures no two leaves look alike, adding character and elegance. Philodendron Ring of Fire is dramatic and rare, with long, jagged leaves that show off shades of orange, yellow, red, and green. It's a conversation piece for any plant lover. Philodendron Golden Goddess glows with neon yellow foliage edged in green. Its bright color lights up any room and makes a bold statement when planted in decorative pots. Philodendron Burl Marks is hardy and elegant, with elongated glossy leaves marked by lime yellow accents. It's an easy-to-grow choice for plant parents looking for both beauty and simplicity. Philodendron Thai Sunrise has elongated glossy leaves with stunning lime and dark green streaks. This variety's coloring and shape make it a standout for your indoor jungle. Philodendron White Knight is a rare climbing variety with striking white patches on deep green leaves. It's slow-growing, but highly prized for its striking contrast and elegance. Philodendron Painted Lady looks like a living work of art. Its bright yellow leaves splashed with green speckles and pink stems create a bold pop of color in any room. Philodendron Mamey, or blotched philodendron, has heart-shaped leaves adorned with gray or silver splashes. Its textured foliage adds a wild, untamed look to your plant collection. Philodendron Billietier is rare and highly sought after, featuring long, strap-like leaves variegated with creamy yellow streaks and supported by vibrant orange stems. Philodendron Jungle Fever brings tropical vibes with leathery, paddle-shaped leaves variegated in deep green, bright yellow, and golden tones. This bold plant earns its name. Philodendron Jose Bono is a tropical masterpiece with large leathery leaves painted in cream, yellow, and white splashes. It's a bold choice for plant lovers who want drama in their decor. Philodendron Rio is a rare relative of Brazil, featuring narrower leaves with a unique combination of cream, green, and silver tones. Its subtle variegation makes it a collector's favorite. Philodendron Moonlight Variegated is a hybrid that glows with chartreuse foliage that matures to a deep emerald green. Its neon tones add a bright, exotic vibe to any indoor space. These 17 philodendrons are proof that houseplants can be as stunning and unique as any piece of art. From pink splashes to golden streaks, there's a variety for every taste. If this list gave you new ideas for your dream plant collection, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more rare plant finds and gardening secrets.